FormFlow. FormFlow is a leading company getting our countdown started, and they specialize in affordable housing. Today, we'll be taking a look at their modular housing solution. And the first benefit is that the entire construction process takes only weeks instead of months. The modular house has an Australian-made steel frame that protects against bends and damages, and it's great for the environment too. The ColorBond steel is made with more than 20% recycled steel, and the standard gables can be transported on a single semi-trailer to save on transport costs. The gable model measures 39 feet or 12 meters in length, and 15 feet or 4.5 meters in width. Lastly, it weighs 22,000 pounds, or just shy of 10 tons, which is a huge reduction from standard houses. Speaking of standard houses, one in this size will set you back more than $2,000, and FormFlow boasts a fraction of this. Down PX5 Sentinel. Safety is of the highest concern in the workplace, and this is why the Down PX5 Sentinel is one of the best investments you can ever make. This mobile system is a front-runner in fall protection, and up to 7 people can be latched in and secured at one time. The Sentinel is able to support a total weight of 1,300 pounds, or 590 kilograms, and since it's extremely easy to transport on a forklift, it's the ideal solution for rooftop work. The machine holds strong on various surfaces, including concrete, and it's been thoroughly tested. In these tests, it was able to withstand 5 loads of 310 pounds, or 140 kilograms each. So there is no doubt that this is the ultimate safety system to ensure rooftop work never gives you butterflies again. You will have to spend $6,000 for this safety invention. Lixil X1. Up next, we have a revolutionary scanner that will surely blow your socks off. The Lixil X1. This device is so compact and lightweight that you'll have no trouble carrying it around on the worksite, and it can even be lifted with a drone. The scanner is able to create accurate 3D models of the environment in near real time, with only a 5-second delay. The cutting-edge technology also allows the user to view the data while it's still busy scanning. The range of the Lixil is a whopping 394 feet or 120 meters, and its accuracy is incredible. At only 0.79 inches or 2 centimeters. A single charge is sufficient for 90 minutes of continuous use. So will you be investing in this revolutionary tool? Its price is a whopping $10,750. SureWall. SureWall is an up-and-coming name in the construction world, and it now allows you to make improvements to your own house without any hassle. With SureWall, you can now build walls that are up to 3.3 feet or a meter high that have a flush finish, and the posts that are made from galvanized steel for ultimate durability are only 2.56 inches or 65 millimeters wide. Compared to other competitors, SureWall allows you to build a wall that's slimmed down by 66%. These walls are able to withstand the elements for 2 decades, and the posts are able to create 90-degree angles and have a 15-degree tolerance for smooth bends. Convinced yet? Inspection chamber. Getting to drainage solutions, we have a surefire solution that won't leave you feeling overwhelmed. The inspection chamber is a robust, underground access point designed for easy inspection and maintenance of drainage systems. Made from durable materials, it provides a secure and accessible way to monitor and manage wastewater flow, ensuring the system remains functional and free of blockages. This system can be buried at a depth of 33 feet or 10 meters, and the manufacturer provides poly-drain splitters as well to ensure your drainage route can be as simple or complicated as your heart desires. There's a new foundation tool on the block, and here's a hint, it's collapsible. Boswa Acoustic System. Acoustics are incredibly important for any building, and the creator of the Boswa Acoustic System really took this to heart. This system is designed to reduce noise and reverberation in the most efficient way possible, so much so that these panels are even installed in the White House today. The popularity of these panels skyrocketed all over the world, so you wouldn't expect their structure to be amazingly simple. The acoustic plastic layer is made from fine marble and sand, and the supporting panel helps keep everything together. The panels are calibrated to also make installation as easy as possible, with 538 square feet or 50 square meter room, only taking 24 hours to completely panel up. What's great is that the Boswa acoustic panels are suitable for modern and historic buildings alike, and even unusual ceilings will not be a challenge. One panel has a price tag of around $65. VOID-TEK. Moving earth is one of the biggest concerns for builders, but if you have no choice but to build in an area where earth shifting is a known problem, VOID-TEK will fly in like Superman and save the day. This cellular polymer block is a great safeguard for foundations that is installed right underneath the foundation itself. However, VOID-TEK does take this to a totally new level. The main advancement of VOID-TEK is that these foundation blocks are collapsible, so where a truck was able to transport only 70 polymer blocks, this number is increased to a whopping 532 units. Another great benefit is the $13.50 per 10.7 square foot or square meter saving. These blocks are known for their incredible ruggedness, and even though they can be effortlessly trimmed down, they are tougher than any alternative. The manufacturer has a range of standard blocks, but you'll also have the option to opt for custom-made. Road printer. Creating roads no longer needs to be a punishment of physical labor, and with a road printer, laying roads is easier than ever before. On one side of the automatic road printer, you load paving stones into the intake, and on the other side, a complete and walkable road is created instantly. The machine has an impressive 20-foot or 6-meter walking width, and the user has the freedom to choose between different road layouts and various paving stone options. Compared to manually paved roads, the road printer creates roads that are as much as 4 times stronger. However, the manufacturer did not stop there, and they have created a road printer eco model, which is 3 times faster than the first model. It's also less prone to breakdowns, and when you add this machine to your arsenal, you may even qualify for a grant from the Dutch government. Virtual reality and construction don't usually go hand in hand, but this is set to change very soon. Stylum. Stylum is the next great invention on our list, and it's set to transform public spaces as a whole, whether it's playground or roadside spaces. Stylum is what's needed for a total transformation. The Stylum slabs have square gaps throughout, which are then filled with grass. The lovely appearance isn't the only benefit of these slabs, since they are also soft under your feet, but strong enough to support wear and tear. These slabs are also sturdy enough to support swings and other playground installations. And as an added bonus, they can even be installed on uneven surfaces without any struggle. With a thickness of 2.56 inches or 65 millimeters, they can also be used as makeshift islands during heavy rains. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's now available to try. Vert Edge Artificial Grass Edging. Vert Edge won the Innovation of the Year award in 2023, and they addressed the issue we've all been struggling with, the artificial grass edging. They have created is the simplest, yet high-tech and most efficient solution for artificial grass joints. The problem arises from the fact that turf often runs along fences, tiles, or other obstacles, and ensuring the joints are not an eyesore is an important part of laying turf. Vert Edge is a slat system that is remarkably simple, and it allows you to simply fold and glue the turf edges in a similar way to carpeting a room. Doom. According to the creators behind this new solution, it's one of the only ways to ensure perfect reliability and lasting quality. These edges are suited for private and public areas, and since they don't rot or get waterlogged, you will have great peace of mind. The fasteners don't stick out at all, so a seamless look is guaranteed. For only $73, you can invest in a pack of adhesives and a set of 10 Vert edges. This will be enough to cover 24.6 feet or 7.5 square meters. Zella Hololens. We're now introducing the Zella Hololens, an invention that is truly the future of construction. Microsoft has been creating augmented reality glasses for everything from distance learning to surgery, and now it's been adapted to be the perfect construction partner. The Zella Hololens has a unique design. It's got augmented reality glasses, as well as a functional construction hard hat. Internally, these glasses allow you to combine a virtual model of the building with a real-life thing, and whether you're at work or showing your clients what the finished product will look like, this will be a major improvement. The headset is able to display training videos and spot problems on the construction site, and you'll definitely feel like a futuristic builder while wearing it. BPA Seki. Formwork is an endlessly important part of the construction world. And first up is BPA. These elements ensure that formwork assembly is easy and straightforward, and you can set your formwork height between 7.8 to 47.2 inches, or 20 and 120 centimeters. When it comes to floor slabs, they also offer reusable formwork that is available in 11.8 and 19.7 inches, or 30 and 50 centimeter heights. With this formwork, you can move 3 connected pieces around with a crane. There is competition, however, and Seki has just as many benefits. Seki Formwork is widely regarded for their lighting, construction speed, and it's definitely a top contender in modern construction. Construction tools that are able to withstand temperatures year-round are invaluable, and we have exactly this coming right up. I-Trac. I-Trac is a leader in the world of flooring, and this company has already made a name for itself by providing millions of square feet and meters of temporary flooring that is not only reliable but also advanced. Their flooring is known for having incredible strength and durability, so much so that it's even used by the military. A single square meter of this flooring is able to support a mind-blowing 441,000 pounds, or 200 tons of weight. And an even bigger benefit is that each slab only weighs 33 pounds or 15 kilograms. A single worker can complete 1,076 square foot, or 100 square meters, of flooring in only 60 minutes, proving just how efficient it really is. Equally appealing is the fact that you don't need to prep the surface beforehand, and it can be installed on sand, snow, or mud. The flooring is able to withstand temperatures between negative 112 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 60 and 85 degrees Celsius, so year-round use is guaranteed. Aluda Slab Formwork. Are you ready for the most effective formwork ever? Introducing the Aluda Slab Formwork, the best slab formwork that's suited for industrial and residential constructions. This formwork model is able to handle concrete slabs that are up to 3.3 feet or a meter thick, and the working load is a seriously impressive 19,800 pounds or 9 tons. 2 people are enough to assemble this cutting-edge formwork, and when you use a special truss brace, the height of the props can be increased by up to 3 times. You can get in touch with the manufacturers for detailed pricing. INPRO Ricochet. The INPRO Ricochet is the next best thing when it comes to wall protection, and it's ideal for high traffic areas like public buildings or clinics. It's similar to wallpaper, only it is able to withstand regular exposure to harmful substances like hydrogen peroxide and isopropyl alcohol. Nothing is a match for the INPRO Ricochet, since you can easily wash off permanent marker, spray paint, and basically all their stains. The top layer is only 0.04 inches or a millimeter thick, so it won't take up much space at all, and it's very flexible as an added bonus. The manufacturers have created the INPRO in a wide range of colors and textures, and this means it will fit seamlessly into any interior aesthetic. Prices start at around $1,000. Bricks don't have to be dull and brown, and new age bricks can be as much a work of art as they are sturdy. Olympus. Ancient buildings and structures hold an important space in our society, and places like Italy, that has many architectural wonders, like the Milan Cathedral, need to take steps to preserve these structures. Since Italy experiences around 16,000 seismic events a year, Olympus has taken it upon themselves to create a solution. Their products are able to protect and strengthen these buildings, and this is true for both wooden beams as well as reinforced concrete slabs. When investing in Olympus, you'll enjoy increased shear and flexural strength that'll ensure these buildings are able to be enjoyed for many generations to come. Venetian glass bricks. Venice is famous for wonderful water streets, bridges, and canals. But a team took inspiration from this stunning city and created Venetian glass bricks. These bricks don't only look like something from a fairy tale, but they're also incredibly impressive. Today, these translucent glass bricks can be found in high-end Chanel and Hermes stores. There's even a skyscraper in Australia that used 7,380 of these handmade bricks. Each brick weighs only 10.3 pounds or 4.7 kilograms, and they'll definitely add a unique statement to your building. A single brick will start at a price of $56. EVIA Grund. EVIA Grund is the next invention on our list, and it's a groundbreaking advancement when it comes to foundation building. This technology eliminates the need for concrete foundations, since the steel blocks are filled with two separate layers of foam and glass panels. The frame and foundation can be completed all in one day with the EVIA Grund, and all you need for assembly is a 3-person crew and a crane trucker. And it's suited for both structures that are up to 5 stories tall and wood frame buildings, so it'll be ideal for any project you're working on, since the materials are easily reused and recycled. It's also eco-friendly at only $118 per 10.7 square foot, or 1 square meter. It's a cost-saving investment as well. Insulation that can be modeled to the exact roof shape will be a huge headache taken care of, so don't go anywhere. Free Falcon. When tackling high-rise work, there are very few names that compare to Free Falcon. This company has set a new standard for high-rise safety with their new machine that combines elements of a merry-go-round and a crane. Once you attach a safety cable to the boom, you'll be ready to work without a worry. The V211 model activates in only 2 seconds when a worker falls or there is an emergency, and it provides the worker with a generous 33 feet or 10 meters working radius. Regardless of the working height, the Free Falcon is sure to be versatile and reliable, but it does weigh in at 992 pounds or 450 kilograms. This doesn't seem to be too much of an issue though, since more than 2,000 units have already been purchased. If you want to test before you invest, rental options are also available for this new safety marvel. SlimFix RenoPro. Next up is SlimFix RenoPro, an installation that is truly unlike the rest. This installation is modeled to the structure, and it's the ultimate solution for any roof that has a slope between 20 and 60 degrees. The RenoPro is easy and safe to walk on while installing it, and it will completely negate cold bridges in your home or building. Any leftover pieces from your project can easily be sent back to the manufacturer to be recycled, so there will never be any waste. Not only this, but this installation also offers smart drainage channels. The standard slab size is 6.5 to 24.6 feet or 2 to 7.5 meters. But regardless of what size you want for your needs, it's easy to cut on site without creating dust. Arzo. Stone quarries are known to produce excessive amounts of dust and waste, and this can be as much as 40% of the total output. Swiss geniuses, Arzo, worked to solve this issue, and when they partnered with a local marble quarry, they were able to transform this waste using a special 3D printer. The waste is transformed into this flooring system, and it's bonded using organic resins. Since Arzo was aiming for exceptional strength, they also used geopolymer to create these flooring designs. The best news of all is that the printing process can easily be adapted to use waste materials from various other industries. For example, blast furnace slag. The housing shortage crisis can be solved while simultaneously tackling pollution thanks to the next leading invention. Recycle, rebuild. Recycling and reducing environmental impact are a main focus of modern construction projects, and this is what our next entry focuses on. The Recycle Rebuild blocks are created using 3.3 pounds or 1.5 kilograms of plastic waste. Both the design and assembly process are quite impressive, and the finished blocks are vibrant and come in various colors. Since it's estimated that a truckload of waste enters the ocean every single minute, eco-friendly construction inventions like that are more than welcome. Even more important, these blocks could make a huge difference to the 1.6 billion people who are currently affected by the housing crisis. Shock Bold Type F. Shock Bold is a revered name in the construction industry, and a standout option in their high-quality reinforcements is the Type F. This reinforcement system was developed with prefabrication plants in mind, and this means that automated installation is a complete breeze. With a few stud and distribution rail models available, Shock Bold has perfectly addressed all the standard factory needs. These reinforcements are available in various diameters, such as 0.4, 0.6, and 1 inch, or 10, 16, and 25 millimeters. They are crafted from carbon steel for remarkable strength, and this means that strength and durability are guaranteed. Leier Típusház. Housing is taking on many shapes and sizes, and one of the most promising houses so far comes from Leier Típusház. These modular houses solve the problem of shortages in skilled labor and rising costs, and they are not only much simpler and quicker to assemble, but also considerably more cost-effective. The walls are able to be erected in a matter of a few hours, and a double-story home for 6 people covering 1,227 square feet or 114 square meters comes in at a very appealing price of $40,000. Skirting boards are usually the first to get damaged in a building over time, but what if we told you there was a near indestructible alternative? Chalets en bois. Chalets were originally the humble homes of shepherds in the Alps, but today chalets offer some of the most luxurious location getaways. You can even find huge chalets with features like a hot tub, whether you want a chalet in the mountains or in your backyard. Chalets en bois will make this a reality. This team provides chalets that range in size between 97 to 215 square feet or 9 and 20 meters, and it can be anything from a snug home away from home to a home office, a workshop, or even a gaming room. To give you an idea of price. You'll be looking at around $9,000 for a 194 square feet or 18-meter Scandinavian spruce cabin. Perma-Column Precast Skirt Boards. Moving on to the world of skirting, Perma-Column stands out as a superhero. Their precast skirting boards are the ideal blend of post-frame construction cost efficiency and durability, and it's every bit as revolutionary as it sounds. The design features a concrete base that is 3.94 inches or 10 centimeters high, and this is connected to the wooden skirting part by using shear studs made from stainless steel. The boards are strengthened by composite reinforcements along their entire length. There are special brackets to ensure installation is a breeze, and in total the height of the completed skirting will be around 7.09 inches or 18 centimeters. The price of these skirt boards starts at $229. Benton Deum Rum. The Benton Deum Rum is every builder's dream, and this new invention now stands out as one of the best building advancements of modern times. All you need is water, glue, and a dispenser. A seasoned construction professional was able to speed up the building process by 73% by using this new invention, and even newbies will be able to speed through work. With this system, you'll no longer need to adjust the block height, and compared to traditional mortar, this adhesive mix is far superior in bending and pulling strength. As an added bonus, for 10.7 square feet or a square meter of building, you'll only need a total of 6 blocks. When you have a team of 3 people, a 430 square feet or a 40 square meter basement will be completed in a single day. You certainly can't beat that speed. Since natural disasters cannot be avoided, it's best to invest in construction marvels that can withstand the forces of nature. Deltech Homes. The devastation caused by hurricanes in the USA is something a large part of the population has to deal with. For example, the damage from Hurricane Irma totaled around $6 billion. However, some of the only homes that survived were the renowned Deltech Homes. The manufacturer behind Deltech Homes has been very transparent in how they created these futuristic homes. First off, the unique octagonal shape of the homes creates better aerodynamics, and this drastically lowers the wind load the house will be experiencing. The floor and roof layout mimics the shape of an umbrella, and thanks to the special slabs that were used, the house is able to withstand 299 pounds or 136 kilograms of static load per meter. If you want to feel snug and safe in your home, Deltech is the way to go. GRP Roof Lights. Lighting in industrial space is incredibly important, and this is also true for agricultural buildings. With the right roof lights, cow milk production can increase by as much as 15%. It's for this reason that GRP roof lights are a valuable investment. These panels are created to decrease the need for artificial lighting by maximizing natural sunlight. They are partly made from fiberglass, and this means that they'll be durable and easy to install and move around. The lightest options come in at 5.3 pounds or 2.4 kilograms per meter, and these roof panels are suitable for roofs with an angle up to 5 degrees. These panels start at a price of $35. Geofoam. When roads get cracked and damaged, it's a huge problem for everyone. In the worst cases, roads even start sinking. However, Geofoam is now becoming a leading answer to this problem. When Highway 36 in the USA started having huge issues, engineers used cleverly designed Geofoam blocks for the repair. Amazingly, the repair was able to be fully completed in just 2 months. 6 factories were involved in the production of 6,100 blocks for this mammoth project, and these were transported by roughly 200 trucks. The Geofoam cubes most commonly measure in at 7.8 by 4 by 3.3 feet or 2.4 by 1.2 by 1 meters. A construction invention that can add as much as 4 hours of fire protection to your home is a life-changing and often life-saving addition, so keep your eyes peeled. BETONTEX System. Some projects are just naturally more complicated than others, and for these special ventures, you need to be able to trust that the products you're using can handle the heat. That's why so many professions have come to rely on BETONTEX, a cutting-edge system designed for targeted structural reinforcement that can boost both the strength and stiffness of various constructions. The core of BETONTEX is a polymer-based material reinforced with synthetic fibers, or more commonly known as FRP, fiber-reinforced polymer. This is an amazing material that is non-magnetic, radiolucent, incredibly simple to use, and space-efficient. BETONTEX has even decided to add carbon fiber mesh and epoxy resins, which significantly improve shear, fluxural, and comprehensive strength, making every building treated with it stronger and more durable, and even more earthquake-resistant too. Icy mirror. Infinity pools, where water just seems to stretch endlessly to the horizon, are not just wonderful to look at, but also have a lot of expert craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail involved in their construction. Here's a basic outline of how this fascinating pool type operates. Firstly, the overflowing water is collected via a selection of gutters and guided into a large tank. Then it is filtered and then pumped back to the main pool, all in one seamless process. So if you have ever dreamed of owning a pool with a bottomless look, the Icy Mirror system is where you should start. This system works wonders for both new pool construction and renovation projects, so you can transform your existing pool or build your dream infinity pool from scratch. A knowledgeable team can have it fully operational in less than a day. Sika Backer Rod Fire. Finishing up your construction process but feel like there's something missing from your final project? It may be this incredible product, a high-performance sealing solution made from mineral wool, encased in a fiberglass mesh. The Sika Backer Fire Rod is capable of maintaining fire resistance for 4 hours, providing a much-needed extra layer of protection against fire and giving you peace of mind. Sika Backer Rod Fire is ideal for joints with widths ranging from 0.2 to 2 inches or 7 to 51 millimeters, and it's available in diameters between 0.4 to 2.3 inches or 12 to 60 millimeters. However, it also comes in bulkier options for bigger projects, such as a generous 164-foot or 50-meter roll. So if you want to create a complete fire-resistant barrier system in any type of wall or floor construction, use this amazing product, and maybe even add a hard-working flame retardant sealant to round off the job. The price for the wool starts at $160. ThermaBead. Making your home winterproof and snug shouldn't be this easy, but thankfully ThermaBead has not held back. According to research, the typical house loses an average of 30% of its heat through its walls alone, so a solution like these innovative beads, which can effectively lessen heat wastage by up to 70%, is also non-negotiable. It will ultimately completely negate its own cost in only a few years. Plus, there's no need for messy renovations or extensive demolitions, because a technician only needs to fill wall cavities with these tiny durable polystyrene beads once, and then they'll be there as long as the building is. Therma beads range in size from 0.07 to 0.3 inches, or 2 to 9 millimeters, and are typically used to fill gaps in walls. But if need be, it can be injected into cavities up to 24 foot, or 7.3 meters big, from a single point of entry. The cost is around $13 per 10.7 square feet, or 1 square meter. Ubink Rolex Multiflex. How do you completely modernize an aged home's duct system without having to remove a single piece of equipment? With Rolex Multiflex, an all-in-one duct renovation solution, it's now easier than ever. Rolex not only integrates seamlessly with existing condensing boilers by creating the attachment of a completely new additional chimney, but it also allows you to experience the joys of energy-efficient heating without a complete flue overhaul. It features flexible polypropylene pipes with an outer diameter of 2.3 inches or 60 millimeters and an inner diameter of 2 inches or 50 millimeters. Since the Rolex Multiflex boasts such a well-established installation process, the right team can complete the job in just half a day, getting you up and running quickly. These mind-blowing construction technologies will certainly elevate your project, but don't miss out on our next countdown.